Let me show you how to create meetings in Calendly. Once you're inside Calendly, you want to ensure that you're on a schedule. And if you click on the upper right hand side where it says create, you have a bunch of different meetings that you can create. Now, for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to work with just a group meeting here. So let's say I want to create a group meeting. I can click on that and you will see that you can name it. So I'm going to call this one Drew Seminar, right? Let's put it like that. And or Drew Workshop. Let's put it like that. Workshop. And here you can choose the duration of the meeting. So here that is currently set to 30 minutes by default. You can put that to whatever. I can switch this to 60 minutes. And the location, if you click the location, you will see that you have different options that you can use. As this is going to be an online meeting, really. So you can use a Zoom. We can have a phone call in person if you choose to, and then you can add the address or whatever. And here you have more options. That's going to give you options to make the meeting via Teams or WebEx, or you can do it through Google Meet. I'm going to choose that as an example here. And the availability is the time, right? So if you're going to make this only weekly or you're going to make it just one particular day, you can choose that. So let's say I don't want this to be weekdays 9 to 5. I can go ahead and I can click where it says availability and I can choose the schedule section where it says working hours. I can click that drop down here and switch it to custom. And here I can now choose a particular date, right? So the ones that I don't want to use, I can either click them off or I can go ahead and choose to view my calendar and I can select a particular day. You can see the days that are already gone. So let's say I want this to be on the 8th rather. I can click this and I can choose to edit the date and I can just click on that and at the bottom you can always go ahead and click on it and select the particular time. So here at the bottom, you can see right here, it says 9 to 5. I can say, let's say 9 to 10, really, right? So let's say that's the one I want it to be. Then click on apply. Until you kind of set the time for that specific day that you want it. Then you can close to this section. That's it. Now, the invitees limit is weird because this is a group call. I choose if it's a one-on-one, you wouldn't have this option. But for the invitees limit, you can click here and you can choose how much people. So let's say I don't want to be two, but I want to be 20. I can do that and then I change it, right? And then you can choose the option to display remaining spots on booking page, right? So how many people will apply? They will see how many spots are remaining. And yeah, once you're done, you click on create, guys, and that's all that you have to do. And as you can see, here's a preview. And there's different types of meeting that you can set up in Calendly, but this is a group one. And yeah, that's basically it, guys. For easy and very simple. Once you're done, you click on save changes here, and that's it. You will now have this meeting set up in Calendly. So all you have to do is just click the X on the upper right, and that's now set. And you can share the link with others and basically, that's all that you have to do.